Fred Burrows, Swift Plumbers.
I've had surgery, so I'm gonna have back plus.
Well, you take your time, hon. Okay.
Rush is the devil.
Okay, I'm here for an awesome customer who's used us a lot over the years. And she called in 2 drains that were slow. This one I brought hair out of and a lot of black soot, okay? What you're going to see now, though, is you're going to see this thing draining like a champ. You see how fast that's going down? Good and wide open drain. See, that just sucked it down, okay? And I ran lots of hot water. You may notice the hot water down. Whenever I do this, I like to break that stuff down. When my cable machine goes in there and nailing the pipe and getting all that junk out of there, we want to flush it out of the system. That's why I've ran this hot water for so long and filled this up a couple times, okay? Because I like to really wash that stuff out. And when we cabled this, we actually took the pop-up out, and I adjusted that pop-up for you, okay? And there's no leaks or anything under there. I always test this after taking something apart, okay? So as you can see, it is draining like a... I've got the plunger down now, and watch, it'll just...
Oh, yeah.
It's just beautiful now, okay?
Hasn't done that
So,
for a long time.
yeah, that's going to work great. Let me show you in here why I didn't cable this one, okay? I was trying to make it run slow, and you likely, whatever was in there, likely got unlodged, okay?
This is what I put on.
Put some Dawn in, and you got it to move out of the way. Now, I've got the stopper in this, okay? Now, I did nothing to this. That's why I don't want to charge you. Okay? Because when we pull this up, watch how good it drains. You're going to see a swirl right here.
Yeah.
It's just, look at that. It's going to start swirling. See how fast that's going? I mean, that was half filled. And once it gets low, you're going to see that start to swirl like I just did. Yep.
Yeah. Well, about the only thing I really use that sink for is to wash my hair.
Yeah. So it probably just got gummed up right here, okay? And that's why when you put the soap or what in, it moved it along. But I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to cable this if, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I didn't want to, I like to call that a Hilton Snowden, you know? But,
I never put grease in the drain.
yeah, no grease.
I always wipe it out with a paper towel, throw that away, and
Yeah, good job. So see, now you know why I didn't want to, that's how you should do it, okay? And now you know why I didn't want to cable this and charge you, because, and I ran water for a long period of time, you know? Me and Hilton just running water and watching this thing drain, and it's just draining like a champ. So we're not going to do nothing there. The other one definitely needed it. I'm going to change the invoice to reduce the money for this drain, so we charge you less money, right? And that's what we're going to do, because that's what we should do.
One thing I'm saying so far is if I have a big bill, I can sit down and write a check out and don't have to worry, where am I going to get that money from?
Yeah.
I've seen those days.
Yeah. Well, it's good you don't have to worry about it, but what's important is we also don't spend any more money than we have to, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we don't have to spend money on this sink. We can use it elsewhere. All right, we'll end this video, and I'll change that invoice for you, okay, hon? And then we'll be all done.
Okay.
All right. Hey, Hilton would rather be golfing today, buddy. Still watching? Hopefully you got the volume up. Can you give me a comment if you hear anything I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna end this video.